How to hide Instagram post from someone without blocking them. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can hide Instagram post from someone without blocking them. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your preferred account. Now what you have to do is head over to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Here, scroll down a bit and tap on Restricted. Here it says need a break from someone you know. They won't be able to tag you, mention you, or remix your content. They won't see when you're online or when you have read your message. Their message to you will be moved to message request, and only you and they will be able to see their new comments and your reels on the posts. So one of the best way to hide someone or hide Instagram post from someone without blocking them is to restrict them. So for that, tap on next. And now here you have to search for the contact or the account that you want to restrict. After that, you will see restrict button next to your account. You have to tap on restrict. Now once you have restricted that account, and still see your post but won't know if you're online or you have read your messages. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.